help me out, my friend.
Oh, Superman.
All right, let's get you stretching. Anything new?
No, not really. Well, I mean, no, not really.
No, not really.
I had to think about it. I was like, what's different about me?
How's the low back doing?
Pretty well. Today is a bit sore because I did legs. So,
Awesome.
You know, but it was really good because I substituted instead of like an actual deadlift, I did sumo deadlifts. So that's much easier, and there's no tension on my back because of that.
Good.
And I used a belt because I'm a good girl and I listen.
That's almost bonus brownie points right there.
Did you take care of your back? My dad yelled at me when I came home. I was like, yeah, I figured the chiropractor.
Did you develop that hearing when I'm not around yet?
Yeah, I'm like, I have to go to the appointment on Wednesday. If I don't wear a belt, he's gonna kill me. Might pull a disc and he might be mad. Didn't care that I was gonna get hurt. Cared about the fact that you'd be mad.
Oh, that's moving already. Awesome. Any difficulties breathing, by the way?
No, not at all.
Awesome. All right, do me a favor, take a deep breath in. There we go. All right, that went very well. And we're still not stretching our calves, huh?
Oh, are you gonna hurt me?
Nah. Just remember, all service provided with a big smile or a grin. Do you feel better after you leave?
Yup.
Okay, there we go.
I feel like I could fly.
All right, let's sneak in here. And all right, 1, 2. Oh, that's nice.
Love that.
All right, perfect. All right, move down for me just a little bit, okay? Perfect. Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Nice. One more. Awesome. All right. You want to go towards this side? All right. There we go. Getting ready for another wedding?
No, it was Eid yesterday.
Oh. What was the last one? 7 days long?
Thank God this was 1 day long. Or else I'd probably call you. My life is turning into a party session. I can't come.
Let's take a look.
It's worse than a sorority.
All right, that's nice. One more. There we go. Nice and easy. We're gonna sink right in here. There we go. By the way, do you have multivitamins at home?
I do.
Okay, do you take them?
Yes.
Perfect.
Not like the multivitamin gummies, but I take like fish oil, vitamin D oil, iron pills.
Okay. How about multivitamins specifically?
I think I'm out.
Okay.
But I'll go get them right now if you need me to.
We'll take a look at this is what I'm asking.
Oh, that's acrylics.
No. The actual nail bed behind it, if you look at it. Yeah.
Are you trying to criticize my nails?
No, quite the opposite. Nails will show me deficiency inside the body a little bit.
Oh, so I need multivitamins.
Yeah, just add it. Usually it's never, it's like, hey, I have one deficiency. It's usually multiple behind. That's why we start with a simple one, just to do multivitamin.
Okay.
And then continue on from there. All right, move around your shoulders, elbows, knees. Let me know if we need to adjust anything.
Doing great.
Awesome.
Woo!
Perfect. All right.
Yippee.
Easy enough?
Very easy. It's always easy.
Awesome.